Welcome, crafty friends, to November's Spellbinders Clubs of the Month. I thought I'd start this month with our clear stamp and die set. It gives the perfect introduction to the theme this month. We have got lots of birthday inspiration and messages with this set of stamps, and you get matching dies for every single sentiment. There is also a to and a from set in this stamp set. That's going to be great with the tag in the stitched die set. Now, our small die is called Birthday Bliss, and you can see it's absolutely adorable. You've got that darling little sloth and his long little arms and legs, and you've got that totally cute turtle, and then you get beautiful balloons. You get two different clouds, and you can choose for the larger cloud whether to put the drop-in star shapes into the cloud, but you can also use those star shapes by themselves to cut some little apertures into your cardstock. They have got lots of details in the actual dies themselves to give texture, as well as all the little pieces to put together the dies themselves. You're also going to get a banner die, which you can choose to put that birthday bliss sentiment in or leave plain. Hooray, it's your birthday is the name of our large die of the month, and it is so very cute. We have got some more critters to add to our die collection, so you can see we're getting a lovely birthday party frog. We've got a crocodile, or maybe it's an alligator, but I'm going with crocodile. You get a little car for that frog to cruise around in, lots of accessories like bows, hats, presents, all sorts of wonderful things to decorate your two little critters there, plus the ones from the small die of the month, and get them all ready for a fun party. And of course, the car has little accessories as well as a sentiment banner that you can attach. Next, this is our cross-stitch nested card front and tag die set. This is a fabulous set of stitch dies this month. There are so many individual dies in this layering set, and it's going to give you lots and lots of options. And I think they're going to be perfect for whether you want to use stitching or no stitching to give you gorgeous detail. You will be able to layer these up. You'll be able to use the plain stitched border frames rather than using the stitching frames as well. Our glimmer of the month is called Confetti Burst, and I love the design of this confetti burst they've given us, full of what looks like rainbows or smiley faces, stars and hearts. This comes with our rainbow confetti foil, and that's a beautiful coloured foil that you saw earlier. And then you're also going to get sentiments and dies to cut out those sentiments with the Glimmer set. These look fabulous, and they're going to work perfectly with all the other collections or clubs this month and ones you've received previously. Paint the Town is the name of our better press of the month, and as the name suggests, we've got these big paint swishes going across our page, or of course if you turn your card landscape, they'll be going up and down. You're also going to get a large hooray sentiment, as well as two smaller sentiments and dies to cut those out. Now, I thought I'd just remind you of these August club kits that you might like to combine back with that one. Next, our stencil of the month is called Squared Away, and this one's a really neat pattern. This includes 5 layering stencils, and of course you can do whatever colour scheme you like. You can use your monochromatic colour schemes, or you can go to town and go into your rainbow colours, your brights, or your more muted shades. And there's no reason you can't decorate your stencil at the end or choose to use just a couple layers. These will look great, and I think it's a very, very versatile set of stencils. Next is our embossing folder of the month. The 2D embossing folder is called Cascading Streamers, and you can see there that is exactly what we have in front of us. Lots of little confetti streamers flowing through the air for us to have a gorgeous background. And here you can see just how lovely it looks. It can be dressed up or kept very simple, and either way it provides a perfect background for all our clubs this month, or any other project where you want that celebration theme to help decorate your background. Next up is our 3D embossing folder, and it's called Rosette Burst, and that is exactly what we're getting. Look at all those gorgeous detailed rosettes there that this embossing folder is going to give us. It is a stunning layer upon layer of rosettes in there, and I just love how the 3D embossing folders gives that dimension to our projects. And you can see here again, perfect for birthday celebrations, but I can see this being used for many other different types of celebrations, and you could even make those look like flowers. Our wax seal of the month is, of course, Happy Birthday to You. And you can see you're getting a gorgeous coral mix of wax beads, a square wax seal stamp this month, and you're going to be able to have lots of fun combining your wax stamps with your different projects and images from our clubs this month. Then just a reminder, the Deluxe Caboodle Kit gives you all 10 of the clubs that you've seen in this video. Plus this month you're getting a bonus die set, and there are 10 dies in this die set, and it features this beautiful layered birthday cake and candle. I really hope you've enjoyed my little reveal of our clubs this month, and I look forward to sharing more projects with you soon. Until then, bye bye for now.